After 11 months circumnavigating the world, the Clipper racing yachts for the 2023-2024 race returned to Portsmouth. Here we see them entering the harbour in the order of their final finishing positions. As you will hear, the crowds were very enthusiastic.
Nos caemos siempre en una simple. Okay, guys. What the hell was going on with my voice?
Está todo el team de UNICEF aqui.
Sí, we need for everyone support, not just. Sí, cuando nos oigan, que se sigan. Cuando estamos hablando. Where is here? Where is he? He is the penúltimo. Well done! Well done! El penúltimo es papá. Well done. Ahí. Washington DC.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please do give me a thumbs up. Add any comments below, and your subscription is also greatly appreciated.